kids. In our previous video we discussed about the coastal plains of India. Now we are going to learn about the region which lies in the coastal plains of India. Okay, which is the first region? The first region is Gujarat. Okay, the people of Gujarat grow jowar, bajra, cotton and sugarcane. What they grow? They grow jowar, bajra, cotton and sugarcane. And many people are traders. Okay, many people here are traders and some are engaged in dairy farming. Okay, many people here are traders and beside farming they are traders also and some are engaged in dairy farming. Okay. Along the coast of Gujarat, salt is made by drying seawater. Okay, along the coast of Gujarat, see, salt is made by drying seawater. Next is, there are many textile mills in Gujarat. सूरत का नाम हम सब ने सुना है और सूरत में बहुत सारी कपड़े की मिल्स है. तो there are many textile mills in Gujarat. Next is oil refineries also are in Gujarat and the diamond cutting center is also very famous of Gujarat. Okay, diamond cutting centers, these are the diamond cutting centers. See, the machines are also used to cut the diamonds. Okay, diamond cutting center is also in Gujarat. Ras Garba is a very popular folk dance of Gujarat. Okay, Ras Garba is very popular folk dance of Gujarat and most of the people of Gujarat speak Gujarati language. Which language they speak? Gujarati. You know, most of the people speak Gujarati. So their main language of people of Gujarat is Gujarati. Next region is Goa. Okay, Goa is famous for cashew nuts and mangoes. Okay, Goa is also one of the region which lies in the coastal plain and Goa is famous for cashew nut and mangoes. And iron ores and manganese deposits also found in Goa. Okay, iron ores and manganese deposits also found in Goa. And Vindaloo and Zakuti. Okay, Vindaloo and Zakuti are the famous dishes of Goa. Okay, which one? Vindaloo and Zakuti are the famous dishes of Goa. And the people of Goa speak Konkani language. Which language they speak? Konkani. And the beautiful beaches are the big tourist attraction. Okay, the beautiful beaches of Goa are very popular or very famous all over the world. Tourists from all over the world come to visit Goa. Next thing is Saint Xavier Church. See, it is a Saint Xavier Church, Fort Aguada and Dudhsagar Fall also visited by many tourists. These are the tourist attraction places of Goa. Next region is Kerala. Okay, Kerala is also one of the region which lies in the coastal plains of India. In Kerala, people grow rubber, tea, coffee and spices. The spice garden of Kerala is very famous and they are very beautiful. Okay, in Kerala, people grow rubber, tea, coffee and spices. They also grow rice and coconut. You know, beside rice and coconut, they also grow rubber, tea, coffee and spices. Coin making is an important activity of Kerala. Okay, coin making is an important activity of Kerala. This is made from coconut. Okay, the outer layer of the coconut is used to make coin. Okay, the coin making is another important activity of Kerala. Kathakali, these are the famous dances of Kerala. Kathakali and Mohiniyattam. are the popular classical dances of Kerala. Okay. Next is people of Kerala speak Malayalam. Which language they speak? They speak Malayalam. And Onam and Vishu are popular festival of Kerala. Okay, Onam and Vishu are the popular festival of Kerala. Next is Tamil Nadu. Next region which lies in the coastal plain is Tamil Nadu. And Tamil Nadu is also famous for tea and coffee. You know? Tea plantation and coffee are grown along the slopes of Nilgiri hills. Okay, tea and coffee are grown along the slopes of Nilgiri hills. See, that are the this is the picture of hills, Nilgiri hills, and tea and coffee are grown along the slopes of Nilgiri hills. Next, Kanchipuram and Madurai are the main center of silk weaving. Okay, Kanchipuram and Madurai are the main center of silk weaving. Kanchipuram sari are very famous all over the world. Next, people of Tamil Nadu is fond of idli, dosa, upma and sambar. Okay, the people are fond of idli, dosa, upma and sambar. Okay, and Bharatnatyam is a popular dance of Tamil Nadu. Which is a popular dance? Bharatnatyam is a popular dance of Tamil Nadu. And the main language spoken by the people is Tamil. Tamil is the main language of people of Tamil Nadu. And Pongal is an important festival of Tamil Nadu. Okay, Pongal is an important festival of Tamil Nadu. Next region is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is famous for Kondapalli toys. Okay, Kondapalli toys is the famous toys of Andhra Pradesh. And what is the important thing is their neck and waist. These are movable. ये movable होती है, इनकी neck और waist दोनों movable होती हैं इन toys की. Okay, तो it is very famous of Andhra Pradesh. And Kalamkari work of Andhra Pradesh is also famous all over India and in the world also. Okay, Kalamkari work. Mica and limestone also found in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, Mica and limestone. These are minerals which are found in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, next thing is Kuchipudi is a popular dance of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, what is a popular classical dance of Andhra Pradesh? Kuchipudi is a popular dance of Andhra Pradesh. And Visakhapatnam is an important seaport of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, it's a Visakhapatnam. It is an important seaport of Andhra Pradesh. Then next region is Odisha. Okay, what is the next region? Next region is Odisha. Odisha is famous for its textile. Okay, Odisha is famous for its textile and silver work. See, silver work of Odisha is also very famous, and handicraft item of Odisha is also very famous all over in India. Okay, handicraft item of Odisha. Next thing is coal, iron ore and manganese deposits also found here. Okay, coal, iron ore and manganese deposit also found in Odisha. And Cuttack and Rourkela city are the industrial cities of Odisha. Okay, Cuttack and Rourkela are the industrial cities of Odisha. And Odissi is the popular dance. Okay, which is the popular dance of Odisha? Odissi. It is a picture of the dance, Odissi. Okay, and the most people of Odisha speak which language? Odia. Okay, they speak Odia language. Okay, which language they speak? Odia language. And the Rath Yatra of Odisha is very famous. It is a popular festival of Odisha. Rath Yatra, and it is very famous. I think in news all of you see this. It is very famous in all over in India. Rath Yatra, of Odisha. It is a festival of Odisha, one of the festival of Odisha. And Chilika Lake with its bird sanctuary attract many tourists. It is a tourist attraction, very famous tourist attractive place of Odisha, that is Chilika Lake. It is a bird sanctuary. So many type of birds are found here. Okay. So it is very famous bird sanctuary in Odisha. What is the name of this bird sanctuary? Chilika Lake. Okay. I hope all of you understand this region and the people and the life in the region and which lives in the coastal area. Okay. Thank you.